Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a delicious and healthy breakfast or snack, the hug in a bowl with a Deviant twist. First, gather 2 cups of rolled oats, 1 cup of oat milk, half a cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of mashed banana, 1/4 cup of granola, 1/4 cup of your favorite berries, and optionally half a cup of yogurt. Now in a large bowl, combine the rolled oats and oat milk. Allow this mixture to sit for 5 to 10 minutes, ensuring the oats soften sufficiently. Next, incorporate the peanut butter and mashed banana into the oat mixture, stirring until everything is well combined. Sprinkle the granola and your chosen berries generously over the mixture for an extra layer of flavor and creaminess, and a dollop of yogurt on top. Greek yogurt or any flavor you prefer works perfectly. Feel free to customize your hug in a bowl. Add a handful of nuts, seeds, or even shredded coconut for added texture and taste. If you prefer a sweeter bowl, drizzle some maple syrup or honey before serving. You can also prepare this the night before and let it sit in the fridge for a quick breakfast option. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment with various fruits. Strawberries, blueberries, or even chopped apples add a unique touch. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.